Hello and welcome, I'm your host Zulf. I'm going to show you how to use your action camera as a webcam for your mobile phone. I've done a number of these videos and people are finding them helpful because they're searching for the answer and no one's really getting to the point. So I'm going to make these quick sharp videos to let you know how. So let me take you to a top-down view and show you how I'm connecting the action camera to my mobile phone. I'm going to show you the app I'm using and we'll do a quick walkthrough of the app to set up the settings for it. So let's have a look at that now. To support this video, I've got a link in the description to my mailing list. Make sure to sign up to that and you'll get an instant email with help sheets, guides and frequently asked questions which will help you get through this journey. Okay, so I'm starting here with the action camera, my mobile phone, which is an Android, and this cable. I'll call this cable number 1 in my description. It's OTG cable. It's got a micro USB to a female USB. And within that, I'm going to plug in this lead, which I'm using for my action camera. So it's a USB, normal USB 2.0, plugs into there. And then the other side, the micro USB fits into my action camera. Now, what's happening here is we have our connection. If you have a little cage or a tripod, you can put your camera on that to hold it still. I took the memory card out of my camera to when I started, so you'll see straight away it kicks off. Let me zoom in a bit here. So it kicks off my app. I'll show you the app I downloaded. It's called OTG View on the Android Google Play Store. It automatically opens up and you would normally see this menu when you plug the device in. So it's saying, do you want to allow this to go ahead? And I just press OK and use this by default every time it opens. And what that allows me to do is when I plug the camera out and plug it back in again, it will just recognize it and pick it up automatically. So let me just do that now and take that out and plug it back in again, just as if you're plugging it in for the first time. The camera will cycle through the screen and then go over to the action camera web PC cam mode. So you'll see it's saying attached, and there you can see the view of the camera. So that's nice and easy there. I'll put a link in the description to a few action cameras. That's how it looks in terms of quality. I recorded that a little earlier, but I'm just doing a voiceover. You can see it's tethered into the device. You can change the mode, which I'll show you in a second, how to change the settings. And yeah, it's fairly okay. I mean, if you needed to have a separate view on the device, it's another option, isn't it? So here I'm showing you the settings, the cog on the bottom of OTG View display mode here. And you can click on that and go to full screen mode, which will make it a 16:9 ratio. Just go back and you'll see that as a full screen menu again. And now there you can see that's how it looks, well, how it looks on screen. So I'll do a couple of test photos. It's asking for permission, so I'll give it permission to my gallery to save the photos. And just click on take a photo and it'll take an image, and that's how the images look. It's an action camera, remember, so it's going to have a wide view and the quality is not going to be excellent. However, it depends what you compare it against. While testing 1, 2, I wonder if this will record my audio as well. Currently using the Goodman's action camera directly into my mobile phone. So there you can see I did a little test clip of recording on the actual webcam. I understand the mobile phone was using the microphone to record. So I'm not sure if the microphone was off the actual webcam. So that's a quick test of video and a couple of pictures. And you can see it saves the files in different folders. So that's giving you an overview of the OTG View app that I used. And that will be handy for you to keep an eye on. So everything seems fine there. Hope you're finding this useful and how to use this. There's multiple settings in the top menu where you can change the resolution size and the color and brightness as well of the camera. Let's go back to window mode and then go through the last few settings. I'm hoping you found that useful. That's showing you how to set up the mobile phone, Android phone, to use an action camera as a webcam. There are a few other apps out there where you can actually use it to stream as well. We don't all have computers and laptops, so some people are using their mobile phone as their main device. And if you're making content like I do and you want to share your ideas, there's no other way of doing it. It's nice and easy. You can make a video about photography or whatever you like to do. I'm hoping you found this useful. Check out this playlist with additional things you will also find interesting.